Tonight, we're having Thai chicken lettuce wraps. As always, the recipe will be in the description. I'm starting out making this sauce. I'm using soy sauce, Thai sweet chili sauce, honey, and lime juice. Gonna give that a good mix. Make sure that honey is broken down into the mixture as well. Now I'm dicing my onion, mincing my garlic, and cutting up my cashews. Next up, I'm throwing sesame oil in my pan that's been heated up to about medium heat, throwing in the onions, and I'm going to saute those until they become a little bit translucent. And then I will grate the ginger root. Throw that in the pan, add the minced garlic, and throw in the ground chicken as well. I start breaking up the chicken with a spatula, and this is a really important step to me. I really make sure I get it super broken down. But before I work too hard, I add salt and pepper so I can get the chicken pretty seasoned. Then I go back to town, just breaking it up. I want it really small so that it's not too big in the lettuce wrap. You know what I mean? Like the lettuce is only so big. So then I add the sauce into the chicken, add the cashews, and get that all mixed around. Next, I cut up my green onions and my cilantro, and I'll sprinkle those in the pan as well and give it a good mix so it's all entirely incorporated together. Next, I add my julienned carrots and give it another mix. You just really want it to be fully mixed. I know I've said that like 20 times, but it's just the rules. I've tried a bunch of different types of lettuce for these wraps, and the butter lettuce is by far the best. It wraps around the best, they're large, so I just spoon a couple of spoonfuls of the chicken mixture into the wraps, and then I always like to serve it with teriyaki sauce on the side. Enjoy!